Hi, I just wanted to remind you of your work study courses, course and assignments that you need to upload. Um, just a second. Hey, Mr. Info here. I just wanted to remind you of your assignments that you need to get done for your work study course. If you've already done one or more of them, then you can skip that part. But it is really important that we get this done before the end of the break. So you're going to look at your course objectives. These are all the things that you're going to have to do. First thing you're going to need to do is go to documenting hours. And once you get into your documenting hours, you will have a little thing over here where you'll click to upload the hours documented sheet. You'll need your supervisor to sign off on that, which for you, it would be your mother. So make sure that you have all of the dates in for each week, how many hours you worked for that week, and make sure that it's at least 60 hours in order to meet the requirements for this course. Then your workplace preparation, you need to make sure that you choose one of the assignments from this. If you've already done one of these, then you can skip this part, but you can learn how to write a resume, learn how to write a cover letter, actually create a resume. Now, whenever you do whatever this is that it's requiring, you have to also make sure that you turn in your assignment. So submit your assignment here. I will get you a grade for it once you submit it. So there are 3 soft skills. You've got to do your workplace preparation, your college or career development. Here's the choice board for that. These are all the choices. You need to do one of them. I know, let's see, if you did the college or career fair, attend a college tech tour, you can document that, but there actually is an assignment you have to do for it. Or if you attended or went and toured a college, you can do that, but you still have to do an assignment for it. Document when you attended it, when you went to the tour, what program you're interested in, explain, do the assignment that goes along with it, okay? Same goes for the college tour. You can just create a blank Google Doc and submit it there if that's what you want to do. So, like I said, 3 soft skills. So we just touched on the college and career development. We talked about the workplace preparation. And then you've also got to do the next step or future planning. There's a choice board for that. Choose one of these and then submit it right here. So 3 assignments. And then your final required forms. You need to have your employer feedback form. And then you need to submit it. And then you also need to do your student reflection form. You're reflecting on how you did. Make sure that you submit it. I believe that is it. Oh, you have to do this too. Watch the videos. And I believe there's there's another assignment to do in here. So make sure that you start here. So please make sure that all of your assignments in this course are done by the end of the break. I will be submitting your grade for this as soon as you get it done. Let me know if you have any questions before the end of tomorrow. I will not have my computer with me over the break, but I will respond to text messages as best I can. All right. Let me know if you have any questions.